So you're going to remove the plastic cover right there on top. Just slide it to the left. You're going to take off the screw right there. That's the Phillips head that has all the PlayStation logo, like the little like symbols, the triangle, square, circle, X. You're going to take out the hard drive. Take out the 4 screws right there on the side. You're going to take out the hard drive after that. Since I'm using the same one right now, you're just going to put the new hard drive in, line it up with the holes, put the screws back into the holes with the hard drive to secure it. Make sure it's facing the right direction too. So the way you take out your hard drive, just put it back the way you took it out. Put it back in and then secure it with the little screw you took out with the PlayStation symbols. And just close it with the little cover. Then you're going to go to this website. You're going to go down to where it says download PS4 reinstall file. Click on that, download it. If it doesn't download when you click it, just hit the right click and then hit open a new tab and it'll start downloading it. And you're going to go to your USB. You're going to format it. It has to be at least like 8 gigs, I believe. And then it's going to be exFAT32. And you don't have to do anything else. You can name it if you want. You don't have to. Once that's done, you're going to go inside the USB. You're going to make 2 folders. One's going to be PS4. Inside of the PS4 folder, you're going to put another folder called Update. And then inside that folder, the Update folder, is where you're going to put the actual file itself. So once your file's done downloading, you're going to see in your downloads, get it. You could either copy Control-C or just drag it to the Update folder. So you'll get that file. Put it inside PS4, update, and you should see it inside the update folder when you click on update. So there it is. Let it finish downloading to that. And then you're going to plug it into the PlayStation 4. Plug in your control using the charger. You're going to wait and hear 2 beeps out of it. So it's going to beep once when it turns on, and then you're going to keep holding it, and then you're going to hear a second beep. When you're going to get something like this, it's probably going to say like, connect to blah blah blah, use a version 8.1 and on or something like that, and then you're all set.